Hey guys, happy holidays. So we have behind me, I just arrived last night, the loaded 10-inch enclosure from Stinger. It's vented, two of them. And we're going to cover this guy right there. That's the MT 1500.1. It's a one channel 1500 watt RMS amplifier. We're going to go ahead and unbox it, get into some of the features that come into it. So let's do that now. This can handle 2000 watts. So we're well within our limits there. And looking into it here really quick, let me open it up. The very first thing, and I love this about Stinger, it's got a power certificate. So they actually quality check this before they send it out to you. Not a lot of companies do that anymore. And they make sure that it's firing like it should. So in this case, this particular unit at 1 ohm fired off at 1,566 watts, 2 ohms at 1,025, and 4 ohms at 563. This is already bridged. It's got a 1 ohm impedance, so it's going to be right where I need it to be. So there's your certificates. And then going a little bit further, we have the amp. The amp is not overly huge, which is awesome because it will fit directly under my front seat right there. So I threw that little guy in. It's an absolute mess, I know, don't worry, it's going to clean up. But I threw that guy in just as a temporary while I was waiting for this to come. And then here he is. And also in the box, you have your lead for your remote. And then you have the bracket for the remote as well. So everything's included that you need. They even include the little Allen keys as well. So we're gonna get this installed and start some thumpy thumps.